What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Traded a stock that was kind of new to me today. Check it out. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this video here. I traded a stock. This is actually yesterday. Today's Tuesday the 28th, and this is yesterday's recap on my day trading. Yesterday I didn't feel too hot. As many as you know, I was going to put out a video on Friday that I ended up putting out on Saturday just because I had to edit and upload. And yeah, for some reason, like now I have much more mobility, but I had a stiff neck Friday. I didn't sleep well Thursday night. Baby kept us up all night for some reason. She didn't want to sleep well, and I just woke up destroyed. And there's just no way I could get that video up on Friday. So I got it up on Saturday. It's talking about share size, like how to trade and increase your share size safely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link probably in the description section below to it, or I'll just leave it at the end of this video so you can catch up on that if you missed it. But then yesterday I woke up so drained and really tired, guys. I have a lot of projects working. I have a lot of projects working on the channel, for the future here, like stuff we've discussed in the channel before. I've been working on a lot of projects for this. I've been working on a new company a buddy of mine and I are launching here in the coming weeks to maybe a couple months. And just been working around the clock, and I think I worked myself into the ground. So yesterday I woke up really drained. So plus my regular, business that I attend to pay the bills, because I don't know, we kind of used to eating, so got to do that. So I think I'm going to take it easy a couple days here. I did trade yesterday, and we're going to go over that recap today. Sorry for being a day late, but at least I do have the recording here for you, and we are going to go over that. As you see, I'm just looking at everything because I'm monitoring some stocks here. What I traded yesterday was Zoom, ZM. Now this stock, look at this, guys. I have the live recording on this. I wasn't prepared enough to trade this stock yesterday, so it's still a green trade. We're gonna go over it, but I could have done so much better. This is Zoom. Yeah, on Friday, I want to say Friday, Facebook came out with news that they were going to be competing against them. They already had software ready to rock and roll, etc. And Zoom just went, from 180 all the way down here to 157 or so. That's a monster drop, okay? That's a monster drop. And I didn't trade any of that. I wasn't even in the market then. Like I told you, I wasn't doing too hot. So I completely missed that. So yesterday, I thought to myself, if this is going to be weak, it's going to gap down, and we're going to see a nasty little sell-off. So I threw out my lines here. This was support here, as you can see. Previous support, previous resistance here, and all throughout here. So I thought maybe this would be support. If we broke underneath it, we might get some further extension all the way, down here to at least 148 and then 144, 145 area. But we held it. And when we held it, I tried to jump in some calls there, but I couldn't find some with good volume. So it took me a second, and I waited for a second entry, grabbed that one, and made some money on the little push. But I could have made so much more, and I'll show you. And then today, I thought, we might have some further downside, but we're still holding on to that area. I think it breaks it today. If it doesn't, then I think we gap down underneath it tomorrow, but who knows? Let me show you here yesterday. Like yesterday, let me zoom in here. This is the 15-minute chart. You can see how it was choppy right here until like 10:45, and then we finally got the big move. And that's the move I was trying to catch in here, and I missed it. And I'll show you that trade live recorded. Kind of sucks I missed it because that was a monster move. But I'm definitely going to keep my eyes on this, because this, even if I don't catch anything on it today or tomorrow, if I can catch a break underneath this 154 area and we pop and we test it and there's resistance, I could jump short there via some puts. So I'm going to be watching that for sure. Maybe for a swing trade or maybe just a day trade. Let me grab this live trade here for you. Oh, but before we do, you know what it is, man. Help me out. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. And comment in the comment section below. Comment anything. Ask me a stock question. If you want to talk about stocks, tell me what you traded. Or if you just want to say hi. Whatever you do, it helps. If you do all three of them, support the channel because it helps with the YouTube algorithm. The more likes, interaction we get here, the more YouTube recommends the videos, and that way the more subscribers I get. The more subscribers I get, the faster we get to 10,000 subs. And remember, when we get to 10,000 subscribers, we're gonna do the giveaway. What giveaway, you ask? If you're new around here, then you don't know, but it's a giveaway where I'm gonna give away a fully funded trading account to one of my lucky subscribers, but only when we reach 10,000 subscribers. And we're well on our way there. We're almost at 6,000 already. This is crazy. Thank you guys so much for all the subs and the likes and the comments. It really means the world to me. We're gonna go ahead and do that, you know, as like my way of giving back to you guys. So we're gonna do that, and let me grab this live trade. Also remember to check out the links in the description section below for free trade. You get a free stock for signing up, just for making an account, and then Webull, you make an account, fund it with $100, you get 2 free stocks. One of them could be valued up to $1,400. I think this is the ZM trade here. Yes, it is. Okay, perfect. So this is the ZM trade. And the way this trade worked out is really, really, really simple. I was trying to get him down here in front of that support zone, completely missed it. Then I figured, okay, this 160, like one area right here where we couldn't break above, okay? Where we couldn't break above, I said, okay, if we break that, I'm gonna grab some calls for a quick push up to 164. That was the idea. I grabbed 2 calls only. There they are. 2 calls at $7.60. And this is such a fast trade, it's ridiculous. It's only like, it's less than a minute. So I'm in just 2 of them. I really wanted more, but since I didn't catch the fill I wanted, see, because my thought process was starter, add. So what I did was I just opened my position at the add, but I can only open with the amount of share, well, the amount of contracts in this case that I would have bought on the add. I can't go full blast here, right? I wanted 4 contracts, 2 and 2, because this would have given me 2 down here. 2 up here would have given me an average, you know, down here, let's say. But if I go 4 up here, I'm at full blast up here with an average up here. Nah, I don't like that. It's not good risk reward. So I just take 2, okay, what I would have added normally, and I'm immediately in the profit. So I immediately put out an order to sell 1 contract, and I held on to 1 thinking, okay, maybe we'll just get a big squeeze up to this 166 area, and, you know, I'll bang out another $2 up there on that. That would have given me 300 on that sell and 100 down here. Nice $400 trade. But I know what I'm in, and I know that I bought it in a little bit higher. I bought in where I would have added. So I'm going to immediately sell that one, 850. I put out an ask. Okay. I put out that ask, and it should get filled here pretty soon. Okay, boom, it gets filled right there on that quick little pop. It gets filled. We have good volume. You see good volume there. Now, on this next contract that I have here from 760, I'm going to be extremely, not disciplined, extremely careful with this one, because I'm not going to let this one go red on me, because I know where I bought. I know where my line is, right? I know I opened the position where I would have added. So I'm going to be extra careful. I'm only going to take the size that I would have added, and I'm only going to, you know, stop out here at break even basically on this last contract. So I'm watching, I'm looking at the volume. I'm looking that we're going to probably have some resistance there. I'm watching the spread here. We're dipping kind of hard. Boom, out. I sell those out, I think, at 760, and that's it, booked right there. I think I tweeted it. If you don't follow me on Twitter, link in the description section below. You can follow me on my social media. My Twitter account's there. I tweeted a picture. I think it was up like $107 on the day. Very small trade. Nice little base hit. Not going to complain about it at all, of course. But had I gotten my full fill, that would have been, man, that would have been a great trade right there. It really would have been a great trade. This actually comes back all the way down, kind of retraces, and then later on, it makes the bigger move. So that was that trade for me there. Now, as far as Zoom goes now, like I said, you know, I'm watching. Here's today's action. I'm watching to see if we're going to break underneath this 154 area. If we break underneath that 154 and hold it as resistance, you know, maybe we might have some further downside on it. That's You know, that's my thought process on that. I think it does. I think it's so hyper extended on the daily. Look at this thing. That I think there has to be some more downside, but we got to break underneath this 154 area. This previous resistance right here, like resistance there, and like I said, all throughout here, if we break underneath that, show its resistance, you know, show its new resistance versus support that it is now, you know, I think we can easily get down here to these 140s. You know, that's 10 points down. Buy a couple puts up there, maybe for a swing trade, you know, day trade one, swing trade the other. Who knows? We'll see what happens. Definitely going to keep my eyes on this. Let me know what you traded. Remember to comment in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you're alerted next time I upload my video. I have a bunch of new videos that I'm going to be coming out with here periodically over the next weeks or so. So we're going to definitely do that. And I hope to catch you on the next one.